Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. Mm, So here we have two types of vacancies, and stipendiary trainee scientific assistants ST by SA, diploma holders in engineering and science graduates, and scientific assistants B, scientific assistant C vacancies. Okay, so here we have total 176 vacancies. Okay, so once you observe here, so here current vacancies 164 and backlog vacancies 12, total 176 vacancies. Okay, so secondary trainee scientific assistants ST by SA, diploma holders in engineering. So the available streams are mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, instrumentation engineering, and electronics engineering. Okay, and next one, category 1 stipendiary trainee and scientific assistants ST by SA, science graduates. So this is for diploma holders, and this is for science graduates. So BSc chemistry and BSc physics. Okay, so here the total vacancies 15 and 15. There is no backlog vacancies. Okay, and next, scientific assistants for safety supervisors and civil engineering students, diploma in civil engineering. Okay, not engineering graduates. Okay, diploma in civil engineering. For those people, the scientific assistant C vacancies are there. Okay, those are 4 vacancies for safety supervisor and 1 vacancy for the civil. And here for civil, 2 backlog vacancies are there. Total 3 vacancies for civil. For safety supervisors 4. Okay, and when comes to scientific assistants B, this is applicable for civil, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, or electronics. Okay, we have 14 civil and 1 for mechanical, 1 for electrical, 1 for instrumentation and electronics. Okay, so here the total vacancies are 164 and total 176 by including backlog vacancies also. Okay, and some other posts also mentioned here: assistant grade 1 HR, assistant grade finance and accounts, and assistant grade and C&MM, steno grade 1, sub officer B, and leading fireman A, driver cum pump operator cum fireman A. So these are the 186. By including these vacancies, it comes 186. Okay, including backlog vacancies, total 206 vacancies. Okay, and age limit and eligibility criteria and pay matrices if you observe. So for stipendiary trainee scientific assistants ST by SA, diploma holders, age limit is 18 to 25 years, and the pay structure is during first year of training stipend of Rs 16,000 per month. During second year of training, stipend of Rs 18,000 per month. Okay, so for first year 16,000, for second year 18,000. Okay, and category 1 stipendiary training scientific assistants ST by SA for science graduates. So age limit same. Okay, and pay also same. Okay, after successful completion of training, the trainees are likely to be considered for appointment to the post of scientific assistant B. Okay, so there is a promotion from stipendiary trainee to scientific assistant B, right? So this is group B in the pay of 35,400 in the level 6 of revised pay structure pay matrix under CCS RP rules. Okay, 2006 pay revision rules. According to pay revision rules, 35,400 rupees. This is the basic can be applicable when it comes to scientific assistant B, right? And next, scientific assistant C, age limit 18 to 35 years. The pay matrix is level 7 pay matrix according to 7th pay. So 44,900 is the basic pay. And next comes to scientific assistant B, age limit 18 to 30 years, initial pay 35,400, level 6 pay matrix in 7th CPC. Okay, so that is 35,400 is the basic pay. For this basic, they are providing HRA, house rental allowances, dearness allowances, and traveling allowances, some other allowances also there. And this assistant grade 1 HR 21 to 28 years, initial pay 25,500. This is level 4 matrix and level 4 7th CPC, and for all these posts, assistant grade 1, assistant grade 1, assistant grade 1. Okay, right? And even steno grade also same matrix pay Okay, and sub officer B. So for these age relaxation is 18 to 40 years. Initial pay is 35,400 rupees. This is level 6 of 7th CPC. Okay, next coming to leading fireman A, 18 to 32 years age. Basic is 25,500. This is level 4. Driver cum pump operator cum fireman 18 to 27 years age. Initial pay of 21,700 in level 3 of revised pay structure. Okay, so and here they are providing educational qualification and experience etc. So just you can go through this particular individual streams like safety supervisor, civil, basic chemistry, basic physics. What are the requirements they are mentioned here? Just you can go through in detail way. So I will attach this document below of this video, so kindly go through it. And so this is regarding NPCIL scientific assistant B and scientific assistant C recruitment notification. So for further update, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.